All right, all. Let me show you some proof. A 2-ton trapped on the other side, goes out through the wall. And I put a plug in that secondary too. So you know how we always had trouble with those. Alright, can't really see a whole lot. It's duckboard here. That's the return. Like I said, it's just a little 2-ton. Goes over there, it's all insulated. I'm gonna take you outside. Pretty much.
You put the key back up here.
Yeah, it's always there. And like I said, just a little 2-ton heat pump system. There's the unit. Old Tempstar. We do a lot of those, so everyone have a great, safe day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.